In 2011, in my hometown of Williamsport, Pennsylvania, we experienced a historical flood that washed away one bridge and nearly took down another. At the same time, almost all of Texas was in the middle of a severe drought that began in 2010 and lasted several years. Both of these events were caused by one of the strongest La Nina events in history. It lasted from 2010 to 2012 and caused significant damage all over the world. Especially in West Texas, the repercussions of the drought were extensive. The drought obviously impacted agriculture very negatively. Economists estimate that the drought cost farmers and ranchers upwards of $8 billion. The dry conditions also fueled several wildfires throughout the state. The Bastrop Complex fire destroyed over 34,000 acres of land and 1,300 homes. Another consequence of the drought was a drastic increase in statewide regional tree mortality. This significantly lowered the carbon storage for a very large area. Another way to think about this redistribution is that the single Texas drought even equals approximately 36% of annual global carbon losses due to deforestation and land use change. Faced with these issues, plus fluctuating food prices and very limited water supplies, Texas had to make some legislative changes. In 2013, Proposition 6 was passed by the 83rd Texas Legislature, meaning $2 billion would be allocated to fund projects in the state water plan. After dealing with the issues of water scarcity and seeing how much damage it could do to many tiers of the economy, the people of Texas were extremely aware of how important conservation is and will be moving forward. Sheila Olmstead, environmental economic at UT Austin, calls this the drought shadow. Similar to the rest of the world, Texas's population is growing and water is a limited and unpredictable resource. If Texas is going to sustain its growth, then experts say conservation measures enacted in the last few years should stick around.